Imagine sending information instantly, like something out of Star Trek. Well, scientists have just pulled off a mind-blowing feat, teleporting a quantum state over 30 kilometers, 18 miles, of fiber-optic cable, while regular internet traffic was flowing through it. What just happened? In a world first, researchers from Northwestern University, USA, achieved quantum teleportation using existing internet infrastructure. This means quantum and classical communications can now share the same fiber-optic cables. No need to build special quantum networks, just upgrade what we already have. Why is this a big deal? Until now, scientists thought teleporting quantum states over busy networks was impossible. But this breakthrough could revolutionize quantum computing networks, super-fast, interconnected quantum computers, ultra-secure encryption, hack-proof messaging and transactions, advanced quantum sensors, detecting gravitational waves, climate changes, and more. How do they do it? Sending quantum data is like trying to protect a delicate soap bubble in a hurricane. Internet cables are full of noisy data, bank transactions, cat videos, texts, causing interference that destroys quantum states. But the team carefully studied how light behaves in fiber optics, placing their photons in the perfect wavelength to avoid scattering and interference. What's next? This could be the start of a quantum internet, a network where information is teleported instantly, changing everything from cybersecurity to artificial intelligence. Who's involved? Lead scientist Prem Kumar, Northwestern University, Research Institution, Northwestern University, USA sponsors. While the study doesn't name specific sponsors, companies like Toshiba, IBM, and Google are actively funding quantum communication research. This groundbreaking research was published in Optica, marking a major step toward the future of instant, secure quantum communication. The era of quantum teleportation is here.